Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix login problem on Litmatch. So if you are having problem logging into the Litmatch app, then watch this video and follow these steps. You will be able to fix the problem. First of all, go to the Play Store application on your device. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Go to search bar and search for Litmatch application. Once you tap on the app, you can see uninstall and open option right here. If you do not have an updated version of the app, you will see update option instead of open. So if you have an update option here, you can update the application and then see if the login issue is fixed. But if the problem still persists, another option is to go to settings on your phone. Now scroll down and look for apps option. Tap on apps once you find it. Now tap on Manage Apps from here. Once here, go to the search bar and search for Litmatch application. Now tap on Litmatch and at the bottom on this page, you will find these three options: Force Stop, Uninstall and Clear Data. Tap on Force Stop and then tap on OK. Now tap on Clear Data and tap on second option, Clear Cache, then tap on OK. So this should fix the login issue on the Litmatch app on your phone. And if the problem is still not fixed, then you can try uninstalling the Litmatch application and then install it back from your Play Store or App Store. This is everything for today. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I will be back with another video soon. Thank you for watching.